My fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a Lenovo Certified Technician, and today we're going to be discussing how to remove and replace a key on your Lenovo laptop. So first I'm going to take my flathead and wedge it between my keycap and retainer clip. I'll show you what it looks like. And that flathead screwdriver is going to be holding down the retainer clip, so I am free to pull the keycap off of it while keeping it held down. I have a link to the flathead I'm using to Amazon in the down below in the comments. So once I have it pulled off, I'm going to take a look at my retainer clip. I'm looking to see what piece of plastic is where the hooks are, on the outside hooks. Like in this, they're on the top. Another orientation it can look like is if they're on bottom like this. The outside hooks is what we're looking for, because if it's on bottom, then you would push down while prying off that portion first. If the outside hooks were on the top, then you would push up and pry that section out first. I'm showing you both ways because there can be variation even in the same model computer. And when you push down, it gives you the wiggle room you need to unhook the plastic without breaking it. So these are on the bottom, so I'm doing the bottom portion first, and then once I get the bottom portion free, then I'm going to unhook it, and it would be the reverse if it was on top. Now I'm going to, because the bottom is what came off first, that is what's going to go get hooked back on. If I had removed the top portion first, then that would get hooked on first. So once I've hooked it and pushed down, then I put the keycap on top and I'm done. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it in any way helpful, please like and share. If you like do-it-yourself computer repair videos, then go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and one of our certified repair technicians will answer you. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.